Hey guys, how's it going? Northeast Mods here. We got this Picco P15 modified by the great Ron Paris. Unfortunately, no longer with us. This is number 129903. It's got this really cool, different colored 6-bolt head. But if you'd like to see the guts of this engine, come to my channel, check it out. I got the full video over there. Like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Also, I'd like to give you a little preview of the vehicle that's going to be in. So we got a Picco RS600. Body needs a little bit of work, but everything else looks really nice. I need some engine mounts. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. And like, subscribe, and have a good one. Thank you.